Okay, my name is Professor Holy Rock. I salute you wherever you are in the world, even in heaven, on earth. I salute you. So I want to just show you how to find your Payoneer account number and also your routine number. The reason for this video is because so many persons are saying have contacted me to say that they cannot find their Payoneer account number and all of that, especially for those who publish their books on Amazon, because one of the requirements to publish your books on Amazon, if I want to handle that for people, I tell them to have or send me their Payoneer account number so that I can do all the background work and all of that. So when they try to open their Payoneer account, they find it, most of them find it not that easy. And I keep wondering, this thing, Payoneer shouldn't have any stress, like publishing your book on Amazon. That one has some technical, but so I had to just say, no, let me come and see what yeah even saying. And I came in. So although someone called me and said, please tell me how to do this thing because I've been trying it. So I had to tell the person, and the person got everything and sent me this screenshot. And I'm wondering, so, so well, I just say, okay, now let me come and also show you. Payoneer is easy to open. That one is very easy to open. But some persons may be finding it difficult to see their Payoneer account number. And then when I tell them, okay, send me your routine number so that I can connect all those things before I can publish your book on Amazon, they also do not get that. So that's why I'm making this video so that everybody can now watch and see how to find your Payoneer account number and also your routine number and all the numbers there. Now, so once you go to payoneer.com, www.payoneer.com, once you get there and you enter, you have already created your own. Now you come, either your phone or your laptop. You see this place, you see here, that looks like a house and an address icon on it. Then click on view info. View info, then scroll. Whether your phone or your laptop is the same thing, okay? Then you scroll. See. Have you seen your account number? See your account number. Now, let me show you something where you will find your routine details. I want to show you where you will find your routine numbers. Okay, so let it open. So now you see this place. You see here. You see here that it said dollar, USD, euro, and GBP. Now you see because most times what people use is dollar, is the USD. Click on it, either your phone or your laptop. Once you see this place, just click on it. Don't leave it. It is clickable. Click it. The dollar. That is where exactly you will find the dollar account. You can see there it has USD, euro, and each of them has different accounts number. If it is dollar or you want to use, it has its own account number. Hope you get it now. If it is the euro has its own on inside Payoneer, but most people use dollar. So you click on that dollar, then you come here. This place that looks like house. Click on the view info. By the time you watch this video just once or twice, you will get it. People say I teach, I explain very well. Now see, I see now, see the account number here. Your Payoneer dollar account. See it here. Are you seeing it? Not your euro account. Oh. See it, your Payoneer dollar account. See it here. Here. This so so this one is one of my accounts. So yours, you'll be seeing it like this. Then your routine number, very important. You see this ROUT. This is your routine number. You may not understand what this means until you want to publish your book on Amazon. You understand? So we will need, so each time we ask you, each time, if I'm the one publishing your books on Amazon, I will ask you to send me your Payoneer account number, which is your dollar. I may not mention dollar. This is the one you want to send. Then send me your routine, or just do the screenshot and send, or you copy and you send, okay, your routine, and that's all. This is why I'm making this video. So with these few points of mine, I guess I've been able to, is it confuse or convince? Oh, this country said, convince you and not confuse, yes. So I remain Professor Holder till I come your way again. Remain digitally inclined. So please, if you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, please do. I'll be dropping another video on how to create a portfolio for those who want to search for job online. You know, you can stay in your house and be working remotely. But there are some things you need to do. When you hear work online, you think it's just to just work online. No, for you to apply for that job, there are things you need to do. You need to build your portfolio and design a world-class portfolio. I will teach you graphic design, CV design, just name all of them. So subscribe, more will be coming, okay? All right, see you, Professor Holy Rock, Digital Pro.